Okay guys, this next challenge is called plank toss. Super simple game. All you need are some sock balls that I have right here and a cone or a spot to mark your starting point, and then a laundry basket. Now, I got this laundry basket from the dollar store. You can get any laundry basket you want. And then inside the laundry basket I have books. This is a really light laundry basket, so when my sock ball hits it, sometimes it'll fall over. So this is just to keep it up. You don't need that if you don't need to. But that's basically what I got over there. So all you're going to do is you're going to get in what's called a high plank or a push-up position. Now when you're in a high plank, your hands go in line with your shoulders. You don't want them too far ahead of you, and you don't want them behind. Right here, right in line with my shoulders. So I'm going to get right at my cone in a high plank, keeping my back flat, no seals, no mountains, really squeezing the core on this one. Okay, so you're going to choose whichever hand you want to start with. I got 4 sock balls, so I'm just going to go with my right hand first, which is this one right here. And my goal is when the timer starts, I'm going to get my high plank, and then I'm going to toss 1 sock ball at a time. So if I can get 1 during this demo. Come on now. Oh, I didn't get any. No big deal. I'm going to go run and get them, come back and do it again to see how many I can get in 1 minute. Again, you can switch hands back and forth. You could just stick with 1 hand if you want. You can go 2 rounds with 1. You guys choose. Totally up to you. But I wish you the best of luck. This is a tough challenge. It's really going to challenge your physical abilities, but I know you can do it. So good luck. How many can you make in 1 minute?
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.